Oh my god, I'm so sick, guys. I'm just gonna be drinking tea, chilling out today. I got the money. Let's fucking go. I got these guys I found. They were all the way over there. I'm gonna get them back where they belong. Casa, I got them back where they belong now. Back to their buddies. Guys, if you get a chance, you gotta try this True gum, especially the lemon. It is really good gum. I think this one is siblings with the one that lived here before. Hey, buddy. Wanna say hi? Huh? I got some tobacco. Yeah, I know, it's kind of shameful spending what little money I have on stupid crap like this, but oh guys, I just need it. Excuse me. I will stop. I just need it for a little while longer, right? I would have taken the wheel down here. I'm just honestly too weak, too exhausted to be pushing that back up the stairs. And maybe it's good for me to walk a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna go home, get something to eat. I just took a shower. That actually helped out a little bit. I used my last Q-tip from Portugal to get the wetness out of the ears. My ears are hurting. Actually, I was just informed a loud neighbor is coming by. What? I never thought I'd see that guy again. But yeah, apparently he's coming up to pick his stuff up. So I can only assume that I'm gonna be left with no cutlery or plates or anything like that. But thank God I got my Trangia set. So I'll just be able to cook on that. I don't even have to use the alcohol. I can just use it on the stovetop. So yeah, good thing I got my own kitchen. Smoking a home rolled cigarette and just chilling, waiting for him to show up. Somali tea and cigarettes. It's a pretty good recipe for getting better quickly. Alright. Yes. Going for a walk to get some milk. Oh, I just feel too sick to be driving right now. I know it would be faster if I just drove on the wheel, but yeah, I'm just going for a walk. Gotta get that milk for the tea. Got a little bit of a development here, potentially. Hope I'm not jinxing anything here, but I may be able to temporarily have my address here, which will qualify me for free Danish healthcare to get my eye fixed. I also got 2 bumps growing on the other eyelid, and I don't want them to get as big as the one that I do have. So that would be very nice, especially considering I'm gonna have to wait around in Denmark for about 3 weeks at least, because there's some stuff I need to order in order to I'm not scrapping the electrical project for the electric unicycle, you know, being able to charge it up with solar and all that, but considering I'm gonna be traveling alone for the next few months and I'm not gonna be able to afford solar, it would save me a considerable amount of weight and space in my backpack if I were to just add the ability to the electric unicycle of charging up USB devices. So I think I'm gonna go for that instead, just making it so that it can quick charge with USB 3 and USB-C. And yeah, because that's basically everything I'm using is USB 3 or C. Like, I don't actually need the electrical setup right now. First, because I don't have solar panels. Second, because I don't need to use it to charge up another bicycle battery or any other things needing an inverter right now. So just save weight and complexity, and yeah, just have USB charging in my wheel. But I think the most important would be if I could get my eyelids fixed before I leave the country. I'd also like to get some vaccines. I'm not actually sure which ones I have, which ones still work. But I'd like a good general checkup with vaccines and all kinds of stuff. Like, I haven't been to the doctor for ages. So I would be very grateful to this friend who lets me stay here if we could figure out letting me have my address here. I mean, we wouldn't even have to lie to the government about me being here, because I am here right now. So once we get that fixed, hopefully around next week when he has some time, it'll only be roughly 2 weeks or so before I receive my health card, which would qualify me to get non-life-threatening surgeries. So like cosmetic surgeries, like the eyelid. So let's hope I get that shit fixed. You know, I just keep thinking I cannot allow myself to sit still and for bad things to keep happening. I have to keep working towards, you know, the next big important thing to take care of. And considering the pace at which that bump on my eyelid has grown, and now that there are 2 others, I think focusing on that should definitely be a priority. Also the vaccines, you know. So hopefully I'll get that in order. I talked to my little sister and my mom today. My little sister showed me a type of education. Well, not even really. It's like a 5-week course thing that I can sign up for to start getting some of that study money. Like basically 8,000 Danish. If I also take the study money loan, it's 6,000 normally, but then you can take like a government loan on top of that, another 2,000, 2,500-ish. So yeah, I could potentially get paid out pretty soon from now. A nice sum of money. And then instead of going through Poland, which I had thought about, I'm realizing it's gonna be too cold. Like, one of these days I'm just not gonna wake up. I don't have the proper sleeping bag. I don't have the proper equipment. So instead of doing that, my brother lives, my oldest little brother lives in Croatia. I could potentially use some of that study money to send the wheel to Croatia and then fly myself down there on a cheap plane ticket and then just start the journey from there. I mean, it's still cold there, but at least it's warmer there. I took a look today. It was like 10 degrees during midday. So, I mean, that's a lot better than here, where it's closer to 0 degrees Celsius during midday. So yeah, I'm not actually sure about like the tolerance level towards electric unicycle in Croatia and the surrounding countries. I'm gonna have to check that out. But honestly, anything to avoid having to sleep outside in -10 to -20 degrees and equipment that's rated for 10 degrees positive, you know? It's damn near suicidal to... But like, think of it from my perspective. Like, what else could I plan in the position I was in? But if I get some of that study money from the government with a loan on top of that, I mean, it's just a loan for the government. I'm never gonna pay that shit back. But yeah, that would definitely set me up. It's quite expensive to ship the wheel, like 400 or 500 euros, I imagine. But hey, plane ticket's cheap. It would leave me with a little bit of money on the side. If I also sell a bit of knickknacks here and there, bits and bobs, I'm sure I could actually make it. So yeah, that's the recent developments. Next step, getting an address, getting my eyes fixed. Wow, check this Christmas tree out. Huge. Oh, that's nice.